Reviewing redactions before finalizing them just got easier with the Draft Redactions feature. Previously, once a document was exported, it either displayed fully redacted or unredacted text, without any indication of what was marked for removal. This made it difficult to verify redactions, increasing the risk of missing sensitive information. Now, Draft Redactions simplifies this process by generating a version of the document that highlights only the text marked for redaction. This makes it easy to check for accuracy before finalizing. Now let's go through how to use it. Start by opening your document and applying redactions to the content that needs to be removed. Click on the clock icon in the top right corner to open the version history panel. Locate the version you want to review, then click the three-dot menu next to it. From the options, select Draft Document, and Redactable will automatically generate and download the Draft Redactions file. Open the draft file to review all text that has been marked for redaction. Since the document clearly highlights the redacted areas, you can quickly verify accuracy without scanning the entire file. If you find any errors or missing redactions, go back to the original document, make the necessary adjustments, and generate a new draft for further review. And that's it. The Draft Redactions feature helps eliminate guesswork in the redaction process. By providing a clear, marked-up draft before finalization, you can ensure accuracy, reduce errors, and streamline compliance reviews.